Magandang araw sa lahat. Ngayon po ay October 15, 2020. And as usual, we will check some of the stock. Yung mga companies na ang prices ay nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So, but before that, we will check first if ano ang nangyari ng PCI ngayon. Uh, Tumataas ba si PCI or bumababa? So now, let's go to the chart. So this is the chart of PCI today. So kung tingnan natin yung price action, ay still nandito pa rin si PCI sa resistant na ito. So hindi pa rin siya naka-break sa resistant na yan. So there's a minor resistance on that area, and still PCI did not break up. And today ay may foreign selling po tayo na 902.75 million. So still our foreign investor are continuing selling their shares, no? So hindi pa rin bumalik yung mga foreign investor. So they are continuing selling as of now. So this yellow line, this is the resistance area. So now tomorrow, if the price ay hindi mag-close above 5,950 and he will close below 5,919.85, there's a possibility, again, this is the second time, that PCI will going back to this area. Okay. So there's a possibility that PCI will going back to the support below. But if ever he will close above 5,950.50, there is a chance that PCI will going back to this resistance above. So there is two scenarios for PCI. If he will close above 5,950, there's a possibility that PCI will hit again this resistance line, which is AME 100 area. But if ever close po siya sa below 5,919, PCI again will go back. There's a possibility that he will going back to the support below. But if we will check the indicators, if you see the EDX, it is below 25. And MACD is above the semi line, but there is no strength because the EDX is below 25. So if you see here, our ADX is 9.99. If in case PCI will break this minor resistance, the ADX will going up, so it is good. There's a possible scenario that the price will hit again on this yellow line above, which is the resistance. Uh, Thank you for watching may kababayan, Elsa Coquilia. So thank you for watching. So now let's continue. We will check the companies ngayon na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So we consider that one because pag ang presyo ay nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages, there is a big possibility that the price will going up. Okay? Our aim here in the stock market is we need to buy a share in the lowest price and then we will sell it on the highest price. So if we get a correct entry, we buy it in the lowest price and then suddenly the price is going up, of course, we have a profit. So now let's go into the screener. Kaya po ginagawa ko itong screener dahil importante po ito. Dahil yung Philippine stock market, there are a lot of companies, more than 274 companies. And hindi po natin maisa-isa pag-check ng mga companies na yan. Maabutan tayo ng baka isang gabi hindi pa kasya sa pag-check ng mga stock na yan. So that's why I made a screener to easily determine which is the stock above all the exponential moving averages and what stock above AME 100, exponential moving average 50, and exponential moving average 20. So let's go to the screener. So this screener ay makatulong po ito na sa atin. So to minimize the time, to find what stock ay nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving average. So ngayon, ito po yung stock ngayon, yung companies na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving average. So still, there is one company now going up. This is the ATM. And there is also Crown. There is also ECP. This is EC Call. And IS and OR. So this is the companies na ngayong araw na ang presyo ay tumataas sa lahat ng exponential moving average. If we will see the general market, yung financial sector, yung mga bangko, ay hindi pa rin, nagsasabay pa rin siya. Yung holdings companies, yung nasa sector ng holding, industrial sector, and services sector, mining sector. Kung makita natin dito, yung mining sector po ay nasa uptrend. So that's why yung mga companies na nasa mining ay tumataas dahil po ang ating mining sector ngayon ay uptrend. So I will not review all of this stuff. Just check it and you can review by your own. Hindi natin maisa-isa to kasi yung time ay is not enough. But I just show to all of you that this is the stock companies na mga prices ay nasa taas ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So there is a request from you now, which is TBGI, TUGS, CHP. CHP po ay nandito. And East-West, which is East-West Bank. Nandito po yung East-West Bank. Yung LTG ay nandito rin. And yung dalawa na TBGI at saka TUGS ay nandito rin sa ating screener. And yung bago na pumasok, yung ATN. So ito po yung request na stock na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So now let's going back to the chart. So we will see what is the price action is dealing in the chart. So now we will going back to the chart. So nagbabuffer po. Mahina po yung ano ngayon dito. Yung signal. So now ulit, let's check the TBGI. So TBGI ay umangat siya nung nakaraang mga araw. So I think si TBGI po ay tumataas going to the resistance. Okay, ayun na po yung mga natin. Okay. Ito po yung chart ng TBGI. Okay. Last September 28, ay nandito po yan sa May 20, yung blue line. Ang presyo pa nung nakaraan, last September 28 ay 0.18 centavo lang per share. Pero ngayon, kanina ay umabot sa 0.24. So imagine if you buy this share, sa 0.18 pa lang yung presyo niya. And then how many days, 2 weeks ago, the price is going up in this area. And this is the time you need to sell your position. So kung may share ka dito na 0.18, halimbawa bumili ka ng 100,000 share, so yung capital mo ay nasa 18,000 yung 100,000 share. E ngayon ay tumataas na sa 0.24, so ibig sabihin 0.06. So mayroon ka ng 6,000 rin kung nakabili ka dito na area. So if we see now the price action of TBGI, nag-hit po siya dito sa yellow line above 3 times na. So, ibig sabihin, itong area na ito, nandito po yung mga seller nag-aantay. So, we expect that this area ay nandito yung seller. So, if you have a share below and you buy at the lowest price, you need to take some profit. Kasi umuuntog po yung presyo dito sa resistant area. And now, we will expect that TBGI will going back. And then this is the time we need to watch again in the support. Whereas the buyer is waiting in the support area. Kung tingnan natin yung MACD, ay may momentum pa yung MACD natin. And the ADX is above 25. So may strength pa. So that's why if you buy the shares below, you just sell half and leave the other half if in case you will break this resistance and going this stock above. So kasi we need to take some profit. And then if there is a retracement, this is the time we need to participate again if we see in the chart that the buyers in aggressive mode. So if tomorrow ay hindi po ma-break ni TBGI itong yellow line, we expect TBGI will going back to the support area, which is in the yellow line or in the EMA 20. So for now, if I am the one, I will not buy TBGI for this moment. I will buy TBGI if there is a retracement. Kung magre-retrace yung presyo, and then this is the time I need to buy TBGI. Okay, iwasan po natin yung bumili ng shares kapag nasa resistant area. Kasi yung mga seller ay nandyan po nag-aantay sa may resistant area. So now let's go into the other one is TUGS. So si TUGS po, ito po yung Harbor Star Shipping Services. So kung makita natin dito, na-break po niya itong yellow line. So tumataas po yung presyo. So in this area, ang presyo niya ay nasa 1 peso pa lang, 1.08 centavo. And imagine the price is going up to 1.4. So malaki pong kita natin dito kung nakasakay tayo dito sa TUGS nang na-break niya yung resistance, which is the yellow line. But now, the price now is going down, and as I said, we need to wait if the price is going down to the support. So probably we will expect that TUGS will going back to this yellow line below. So kung ang TUGS ay bumalik dito sa may yellow line, this is the time we need to watch again kung may bounce pataas. So pwede natin pulutin again din, hindi bibili ulit kung mag-bounce siya pataas, and then we will sell again. Because hindi pa natin nakita yung pattern dito sa may TUGS ngayon kung mag-receive ba yung buyer or seller. But for now, I see in the chart there is a slowly loss of momentum if tomorrow ay mag-close siya red candle. But kung tingnan natin yung ADX ay above 25 and there is a momentum. So take note, there is a momentum. So we need to watch this stock. If the stock is hitting on the support area, we need to see if there is a bounce. Kasi yung MACD po natin ay nasa taas ng zero line and signal line. So, ibig sabihin, there is a momentum. Ito po yung MACD natin na tinatawag. Nag-cross po siya sa may red line. So, mayroon po siyang momentum and mayroon po siyang strength. So, what we do now, we need to see if TUGS will going back to the support. Next one is CHP. Ito pong CHP ay isa po ito na companies na nag-supply ng mga cement products. So kung tingnan natin yung CHP, base sa MACD, yung MACD natin ay nag-cross above sa red line. So, but it is not confirmed strong momentum dahil hindi pa po bumukaka yung MACD. Katulad nito yung blue, ang MACD ay nag-separate po siya. So, it means there is a strong momentum. So, we will see tomorrow kung mag-split yung blue line at saka yung red line. But for me, I will wait CHP if we will going to this inclined support. Unless if this inclined support will not be broken, there is a possibility that he will break this resistance above. Okay? So we need to see CHP on this area. And if for me, I will position in this area if he will going back to the yellow line. And if does not materialize, hindi po niya ma-sustain yung momentum and then ma-break na itong yellow line, which is the support, the seller is here, then you will go exit. But if he is still, ay nandito po siya palagi, hindi po niya ma-break ito, just hold it and we will see if he can break this resistance above. Kung mayroon po kayong position, just hold it now until this yellow line ay ma-break po. Kasi pag ma-break po ito, there's a big possibility that CHP will going down. Okay? So next one is West Bank. So as we know, yung mga financial institution ay bumababa po dahil nung nakaraang March dahil sa COVID. So kung tingnan natin dito sa may March area, yung pressure itong bumababa. And then there is a recovery in June or last week of May, and hitting this resistance here. And then the price is retracing on this area. So we call this one as support. Nandito po yung mga buyer nag-aantay. And then going up again and hitting again this resistance. The seller is here. Bibintay yung stock, bumababa yung presyo. And then last October 1, na-break po niya itong resistant area. So ngayon, nandito na naman siya sa may resistant area. So we need to wait EW, which is East West Bank, kung mag-retrace dito sa may EMA 20 or EMA 200. Or he will go sideways and reaches this incline support. Yun po yung titingnan natin. Pag ang presyo ay bumababa, it means the seller is in control. Ito lang po yung sa stock market. Dalawa lang po yung nandito sa stock market. the buyer and the seller. So pag ang buyer ay aggressive, it means the price will go up. If the seller is aggressive, kasi binta ng binta sila, the price will go down. That's why in the stock market, you always buy the stock in the support area or in the buyer area. Pag tumataas yung presyo, and then you will sell it and take your money and profit. See, this is the only aim here in the stock market. Buy in the low price and then sell it in the high price. Okay, so in investing in stock market, it does not mean it does not mean that we need more money. You can start investing in the stock market. Uh, I think now there is an online broker that you can uh, register there only 1,000 peso. So this is the only first registration in the broker. And then if it is approved, ma-approve po yung ano ninyo sa broker, then you can start now trading in the stock market. You need to buy shares in the lower price, and if the price is going up, you will sell it and take your profit. Para lang po tayong nagtitinda ng uh, shares dito. Yung parang tindahan. Pero dito sa stock market, yung bibili natin ay share and then ibibenta natin shares din. Okay, so let's continue to ETN. Itong ETN ay mataas ngayon about all exponential moving averages. So now, kung tingnan natin yung chart ng ETN, so imagine here, nang tumataas si ETN ay 0.60 centavo lang. Ngayon, umabot kanina sa 0.73. So, kung matiming nyo yung pagbili ng stock, so ibig sabihin, malaki pong profit ini. Pero bear in mind, pag tumataas yung presyo, huwag niyong hahabulin yan. Okay? Kasi, pag tumataas yan, there is a possibility that the price will going down and it will retrace. And yan po ang time na aabangan natin. For example here, the blue line, ito yung resistance, nandito yung mga seller nag-aabang. Pero tinulak ng buyer, so ibig sabihin natalo po yung seller, tinulak yung presyo pataas ng buyer. So agresibo yung buyer. So ngayon, kung tingnan natin, nandito na siya sa may blue line above, malapit na po siya sa may resistance. So, ingat-ingat tayo sa pagbili ng mga stock na nasa resistance na kasi as I said, it is the seller area. So, kung tingnan natin yung EDX, ay may momentum yung EDX. And ang MACD ay may momentum, ang EDX ay mayroon ding strength. So, ibig sabihin, the buyers are aggressive, but now it is near the resistance area. For example, kung hindi niya ma-break itong blue line, there's a possibility that ETN will go retracement. And this is the time we need to watch. Kasi kung mag-hold yung support, nandiyan po yung buyers, pwede po tayo mag-enter dyan. Kung makita natin sa chart na ang buyer is aggressive. So ngayon, hintay lang muna tayo kung may retracement si ATM. So, the next one is LTG. This is the last one. This is the last request. So, LTG group, kung tingnan natin yung LTG group, yung presyo po ng LTG ay nag-break na yung resistance, which is the yellow line here. Okay? Na-break niya, MACD ay nag-break din. So there is a momentum and there is a strength. So now, kasi tumataas na yan, huwag po natin habulin yung presyo. As I said, this is the important to all traders. Kung tumataas na yung presyo, huwag po natin habulin yan. And if there is a small retracement, and if you see there is a momentum, and there is a strength, then you can ride on. But for now, nag-start po yung LTG ngayon na mag-retrace. Kung i-label natin dito yung resistance, ito po yung pinaka-high kahapon. So ngayon, hindi na nakagos ni LTG yung high kahapon. Ibig sabihin, there is a possibility, kung hindi niya ma-break itong resistance above tomorrow, there is a possibility that this LTG ay magre-retrace ulit. Okay. So we'll always see retracement area in the stock market. Para mapmura natin yung pagbili ng shares, yung cost ng share, hintayin natin sa support area, which is the buyers is waiting there. But if in case this yellow line, which is the buyer's area, ma-break down, then you need to escape. Kasi there's a possibility that the price will going down lower. So, yun lang po yung analysis ko diyan sa stock market ngayon. This is not recommended for buying. I am not recommending any stock to buy, but this is only to share my ideas how I buy shares in the Philippine stock market. Okay? So now, this is the time, the opportunity for us to participate in the stock market kasi dahil sa COVID-19, yung mga matatag na companies ay bumababa po yung mga presyo. So, ibig sabihin, nagmura yung presyo and there's a possibility that after the pandemic, especially yung mga blue chip company na 30 companies nandiyan sa PSE ay tumataas. And then this is the time we can take our profit not only by price appreciation. Yung price appreciation, it means pag bumili ka sa baba and then tumataas yung presyo, this is the time you need to sell. So yun po yung price appreciation, ang tawag po diyan. And there's another way that we kumita tayo sa stock market through dividends. Yung dividends, halimbawa pag ang isang company ay kumikita po sila, yung product nila ay kumikita, then magbibigay po sila ng dividendo. So, this is the time we need to enter in the Philippine stock market. So wala pong everybody is welcome to invest in stock market. Wala pong mayaman, wala pong mahirap dito. The important is you know how to trade, buy the stock in the lower price, sell it in the high price, and take your profit. Okay? Kasi pag sa bangko, maliliit lang po yung percentage sa bangko. So, but here in the stock market, Pag matiming mo yung entry, mabili mo siya sa mura, mabenta mo sa taas, then you have a bigger profit. But risky po dito sa stock market. That's why we are discussing this chart. We call this one as technical analysis. Kasi dito natin basahin kung ano po yung nangyayari sa market through the price action. Itong mga green, red candle, mga price action po yan every day. So, yun lang po ang isi-share ko ngayon. And sa mga nag-request, that is my insight of that company, TBGI, TUGS, CHP, EW, ETN, and LTC. So, thank you for the viewers, Sister Elsa. Thank you very much. And if you have some comment about stock market, uh, everybody is free for kung mayroon kayong itatanong sa akin. So, not only the trading the stock market, but there are a lot of a way na kumita tayo sa stock market or through mutual funds or through UITF, yung sa bangko. So, pwede kayo bumili din ng share through UITF. Ang bangko po ang mag-ano dyan, yung mag-manage. And mutual fund, mayroon po silang mga fund manager. Sila po ang mag-manage ng shares na binili ninyo. Then, kung pang investment ng purpose, so how many years you will sell it. 5 years from now, you will sell it. For example, Jollibee now is, I think, in Jollibee ay nasa 100 plus. For example, 5 years from now, umabot sa 300, 400. So, malaki pong kitain natin pag tumataas yung presyo. So, this is the stock market all about. So, thank you very much and God bless us all.